The following is a Tom Landry Newsroom production. The Precision Manufacturing Program at the Mission CISD's Career and Technology Department has had some very successful results. Renee Peña was a machinist for 5 years and has taught precision manufacturing for 10 years.
Hello, my name is Renee Peña. I train students to operate milling machines, engine lathes, horizontal bandsaws, precision tools, and blueprints. We currently have 4 to 5 students working at Windsor Mold, Texas in FAR.
Jose Chavez and Joseph Cardenas graduated from Veterans Memorial and are now employed at Windsor Mold.
Jose, can you tell us about your experience with the manufacturing program, how it helped you achieve your job here at Windsor Mold?
Well, initially when I started the manufacturing program, I knew absolutely nothing about, anything related to manufacturing. But through the program, I was able to learn and, develop skills that are incredibly useful here at Windsor Mold. Without that class, I would not be able to do what I'm doing right now.
When I first started in high school, I didn't know anything. Then when I started training with him, and he taught me the machines, the mills, the lathe, and everything over there. Also CNC a little bit here and there. And when I got over here, it was basically the same stuff, but I got a little bit more into depth. But I got a little ahead, so that way of the program. So it's really, really helpful.
The Career and Technology Program offers 31 career pathways, 163 courses, and 257 available certifications. Jose and Joseph are just 2 of many examples of how Mission CISD CTE programs can prepare students to step directly into the workforce after graduation. And this has been a Tom Landry Newsroom